The fourth generation Toyota Highlander's bold, distinctive design is going to stand out even more for 2022 thanks to the new Bronze Edition exclusive to the Highlander Hybrid powertrain. Available in both front-wheel drive, FWD, and all-wheel drive, AWD, the Highlander Hybrid Bronze Edition offers unique styling and premium features to inspire a turned head of any curious onlooker. Once on sale later this year, the 2022 Highlander Hybrid Bronze Edition will be offered at a manufacturer's starting estimated price, MSRP, of $43,880 for the FWD variant and an MSRP of $45,480 for the AWD variant. Designed with sophistication in mind, the new Highlander Hybrid Bronze Edition, available in either cement, exclusive to Bronze Edition, wind chill pearl, new for 2022 Highlander, or midnight black metallic exterior colors, includes bronze-colored accents on the exterior and interior. Including 18-inch bronze wheels, bronze interior stitching, illuminated bronze door sills and mid-century, modern-inspired SofTex-trimmed seats with fabric insert and bronze stitching. Also exclusive to the Highlander Hybrid Bronze Edition are unique floor and cargo mats embroidered with a special bronze logo. Taking inspiration from contemporary crafted interiors to create a premium ambience, details include soft touch surfaces and a tailored look with stitching that continues from the door trim to the instrument panel. The dash integrates the multimedia and HVAC controls in an elegant and functional way.